the fundamental reasons why we invented this product was its ability to create real wooden or composite decks and to place them in spaces where you might not normally think a deck could go, such as a condo balcony or a rental property where people can easily assemble and disassemble the product and take it to a new location. Today, we're talking to you from a seasonal campground in front of an RV. See, the beauty of this product is its simplicity, its ease of use, and its portability. Anybody can put together this system. Anybody can enjoy a real wooden field deck in any space. It all starts with our patented recycled rubber base, made from car and truck tires diverted from landfills. Our product is eco-friendly and made from a sustainable source of recycled material. Remember, when using these building materials, always wear the correct personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses, and use all-purpose utility gloves to protect your hands. You take your rubber base and you apply it to the wood, which is placed face down on a flat surface. Put it at the recommended spacing. Next, use 1 5/8" screws for deck boards, screwing through the rubber and into the back of the wood, securing the base to the wood, creating a panel. Remember to only dimple the rubber with the screw head or use a washer to prevent tear through. Once you have built your panel, flip it over, leaving a 5.5" gap between panels. This space is for your joiner board. Simply put in the joiner board and securely fasten it down to the side supports of each rubber base by screwing from the top, going through the wood and into the rubber. When your weekend's over, simply take out the joiner boards, stack the panels, throw them in your RV or the back of the truck, and you're ready for your next adventure.